everyone, it's Donna from Hollywood, California. It's not just paint, it's art by Donna. And today I'm doing a collaboration with Cynthia Porter Studios. She's the host of the collaboration. And we're going to be doing this with Camile Amoy and JB Pour Art, Janja Bremec, and The Morning Pour with Holly, and me. And it's called I guess that's why they call it the blues. Sounds like an Elton John song to me. So I guess that's why they call it the blues. And we can pick any size canvas that we wanted. And I have a 10 by 20 size canvas here today. And it's blues, so I'm picking 3 blues here. And I made up some colors. I have a Liquitex Fluoro Blue mixed with the Southern Ocean Blue Matisse. And I have a new medium. It's a Liquitex Acrylic Gold Medium Metallic. And I'm adding that into this. And that's in here. Now, the next color I have is a Matisse Australian Blue Gum. And I added some Atelier Free Flow Cobalt Turquoise Blue. And that's the color you see here. And the other blue that I totally and thoroughly love is my Winsor Newton Phthalo Turquoise. And I mixed in a little of that, I think I put a little of that gold metallic in there also. And it's one contrasting color. And I'm using Alizaran Crimson Hue. And I put some ink in there, a little bit of deep violet to make it a little darker. And it was black or white, and I chose white. Thought I'd be in the light today. And I'm going to be doing a feather. And this feather was inspired by AB Creative. I love how she did her feather last week. And it's a swipe. So that's what I'm going to be doing now, is a feather. And she started out by, she lightly drew an outline, which I've never done that before. So I'm just going to go like this. And I think I want my feather to go like this. So I'm going to start here. And I'm going to make a little outline like that. We can see it a little bit. And I'm going to start with my lighter color. It's got a nice shimmer in there. And she used silicone in her in some of her paints, and I don't really like to use silicone, so I'm going to use a little bit of my white cell activator throughout. To help along with some cells. And I don't think this would be cheating because this Payne's Gray is kind of similar to that blue that I have there. I'm going to use a little of my Payne's Gray cell activator also. I don't think it would be considered cheating, or I hope it's not anyway. So, and here is, I have a whole bunch of these little paper towels that I cut up, and I'm going to wet them. I have a few different sizes. Whoops. Not exactly thrilled with my swipes here, so I do transfer over to a straw, as you will see now. And I do try, I try swiping here and there. I go back to the swiping, and then you'll see I do go back to the straw eventually. Trying to be patient, swiping. Just not working for me. Now I'm going to add the, I'm going with the chain. This is what AB Creative did. Obviously hers comes beautiful. As you'll see, mine came not so beautiful, which is okay. Exactly, it didn't come that bad, but not a go. I give it one last go with the swipes here, and then I go directly to my straw. You'll see. Yeah, I put all the paints down, and I started to use my straw, and I really love the way this started to come out. Definitely the way I pictured it more in my mind. It kind of gives me a watercolor feeling, which I love watercolors. Paints really came beautiful. This part not so well. I'm just going to go a little faster here, and we'll skip over this part. Here I'm putting down some more paints to give the middle part of the feather a little more definition, and I'm adding some lines into the feather to give it just to define it a little further. I'm just adding some white around the edges to clear everything up, because we're almost at the end here. I am really excited with what I have here. So happy. Thank you, Cindee, for including me in this collaboration. Please give me a thumbs up if you think I deserve it. I am so happy that I was able to do this and be included in this. It's been quite a while. It's been quite a way to get back a little bit into my painting, and this really helped me immensely. So I appreciate it from the bottom of my heart, and I hope you see each and every one of the ladies who is in this collaboration. They'll all be listed below. Let me know what you think in the comments below. On to the next one. Have a great day, everyone. This is Donna from Hollywood, California, signing off. Please wait for the close-up. You're going to love what you're seeing here. It's really beautiful. Okay. See you next time. Bye-bye now. And I guess that's why they call it the blues. Time on my hands could be time spent with you. Nothing like legend, living like lovers, rolling like thunder under the covers. Guess that's why they call it the blues. Coming up next, the morning pour with Holly.